It's your girl Taj Mahaly, and today I have Christopher Robin, and he's gonna be with me helping me do this male skincare routine. There's been a lot of guys that have DM'd me as well as left comments under my videos, and we're gonna talk about how you can care for your skin. So I'm gonna let you guys see Chris's skin so we can get a little bit closer. I'm gonna show you some of the I'm gonna show you some of the products that we're gonna be using today. And I like to keep the routine super simple for guys because if you make it hard, they're not gonna do it. So, you excited, Chris?
Very excited.
You're very excited? Perfect, perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so the very first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna get Chris to wash his hands. If you watch any of my videos, you know that the very first thing you do before you get started is that you are going to wash your digits. The very first thing we're gonna have Chris do now that his hands are clean is that we're gonna go ahead and have him use the BOLDEN Skin Clarifying Cleanser. So here you go. I'm gonna talk about the cleanser while you're using it. So you only need about a quarter size amount of cleanser. And so Chris is gonna massage this into his face for 60 seconds. Yep, make sure you get inside your eyebrows. You wanna also make sure that you're going in your beard as well. There's all kinds of food and remnants that get stuck in there. So you wanna make sure that you remnants. Make sure that you grab all the stuff. So Chris is gonna go ahead, and you want to spend a lot of time around the nose cavity and the corners of your sides of your nose, because whenever we do our facials, especially for men, this is where we spend the most time for extractions. So we want to make sure that we grab that area well. Cool. Perfect. Keep on going, friend. You gotta do 60 seconds.
Long 60 seconds.
I know, 60 seconds is a long time. The average person, whenever they're washing their face, they're only spending about 15, maybe 30 seconds washing their face, and that's not enough time for those active ingredients in the cleansers that you're using to penetrate properly. So spending 60 seconds will also make sure that you don't have to cleanse 2 times a day, which a lot of people do. You can get away with 1. Chris is going to be using the BOLDEN Skin Brightening Toner. Just like I said, Chris is looking to get rid of some of the hyperpigmentation that he has. So he's just going to be saturating a cotton round and applying that all over. Have you ever toned your face before?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Pour it into the cotton round. Squeeze it. You can squeeze it, making sure it's really nice and damp. That's perfect. So you want to see, that's about how damp you want to get it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it, you're gonna wipe it all over. So you're gonna start on your nose, go this way, and on the other side, go that way. Yep. Make sure I do on the other side as well. So what we do, whenever you tone, it helps to bring the pH balance back to your skin. This toner has some active ingredients in it, so it's really great to help your next products kind of penetrate properly. It acts like a water channel so that any of the products that are liquidy after this can penetrate better into your skin. Also, what I love about this line is that it is Black owned and clinical strength. If you want to, you can actually go underneath your chin as well. I meant to have you wash your neck as well, but you have your shirt on and I didn't want to do all that today. Toning is really cool because you can still see what you might have missed after we cleanse your skin. Now that we already have Chris's active ingredients in, now we're looking to just kind of calm and soothe the skin now. And so now we're gonna go in with the Cica Serum by Revolution. This is a new product that I've really been loving this year. It's very calming and soothing. Cica is the new hot product on the block. So what we're gonna do is I have Chris to squirt a couple pumps into his hand. You don't have to rub it in, just pat it in.
Oh, bro.
I'm so done. Make sure you get your nose. Smooth out your eyebrows. You know, make them suds up.
That's why I got good eyebrows. I wish I had eyebrows like this.
You wish you had eyebrows like this. I'm weak.
Child, please.
Just pat it in. Do it like kind of slower. Like just like poof. Like put your whole hand, like the whole hand. Yep, like that. Perfect. You can get it in your eye area, so you can Make sure you get the top of your eye as well, your eyelid. Yep. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wait about 5 minutes because you wanna let all that product just kind of sink in right now. So we're gonna be back in about 5 minutes. Chris now looks like a Krispy Kreme glazed donut. Now that Chris has sat for about 5 minutes and he's let that Cica Repair Serum sit in, he's gonna go ahead and go in with his hydration. We're gonna be using the natural moisturizing factors with hyaluronic acid in there. So I'm gonna give that to him. For that, Chris, you just need a dime size amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and show that. That is going to help just lock in all the toner, all the serum that he has. It's just gonna really just moisturize. And since Chris is more melanated, you can see that this one
Is it more melanated?
melanated. You can see that even though it is a white product, it does tend to go into his skin. Since he has a beard, he does have to agitate a little bit more. But it's all good, it's great.
My skin really does feel wonderful though.
It's great to hear.
We love to see it.
Yep. So the hyaluronic acid is gonna work great for Chris's skin because we live in a very humid climate. So hyaluronic acid binds, it holds its weight in water by 1000%. So it's gonna be great. He's gonna feel like a glazed donut for the whole day. But we're gonna go ahead and do our very last step because even though Chris is melanated, we have to use our sunscreen. When it comes to treating dark marks, it doesn't matter what kind of active ingredients you're using. If you're not using an SPF to help protect your skin from UV rays, you're not gonna get rid of any of the dark marks that you're having. So any men that tend to shave and they've had some residual dark spots or irritation around the jawline or the beard line, you have to get some sunscreen. One of my favorite sunscreens to use is the Black Girl Sunscreen. Don't be alarmed if you're a man to use the Black Girl Sunscreen. Basically, it's just saying that it's very friendly for people who are dark skinned, so they won't be looking casket ready after they put some sunscreen on. And you know exactly what I'm talking about. That white cast, after you put on sunscreen, you look like you're glowing. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. Why do men put the way y'all do stuff is so weird?
I'm officially a glazed donut.
So that's gonna conclude the male skincare routine that I have for you guys. Chris out here is looking like a glazed donut now. Make sure if you have a boyfriend, an uncle, a father, and you've been looking at his skin and you're like, I'm tired of you using that ivory bar soap. What is it called?
Irish Spring.
Your Irish Spring, okay? That's not for your face.
I use Dove.
Well, we're not gonna use that no more.
Okay.
Facts. Anyway, show this to a man that you love in your life so that they can get their skincare together so we can glow up for 2021. We're gonna have a new president. We're gonna have new skin. We're gonna have new everything, okay? With that being said, make sure you like this video. It helps with the algorithm. Make sure that you comment and subscribe as well. And we look forward to seeing you again. Chris, you got anything you wanna say?
Hey, just tap in with my holla spot.
Thank you.
That's it. The best.
Facts. www.mahaly-spa.com.
Period.
Have a good one, y'all. Bye. Look at Mo. Yeah, good and dirty. Anything you want to say, Christopher Rodman? To the streets.
When the streets need me,
The streets don't need you.
I'll be there. I own these streets.
You don't own shit, friend.
Fuck you.
Fuck you. And your mama.
Whoa, hold up.
Put your chin down. Put your chin down. So you guys, this is Chris and Ash. Ashley is Chris's girlfriend. I just wanted to clarify before we get started for today's video. Before y'all be asking about what his @name is, any of that. It's a dub. You're right. He doesn't have one. That's the right answer. Boom. Okay. Ready? On 3. Why? Please stop trying to be sexy for the camera. On 3. 1, 2, 3.